I just used the Berries palette to create this one color eyeshadow look. Now I'm going to change it into something different. If you're new to this channel, my name is V. I like to do creative looks, simple looks, easy looks, everyday look. Keep watching and remember to hype this video. Now I'm just going to vamp this look up with a darker plum berry and change everything about it. You can use your eyeshadow as a single one color during the day, and if you're going out at night, you just have to bump it out to something else. I know I promised to do these looks in February, the Valentine. I promised to do the Valentine look in February with wearing either red or pink or burgundy shirt. But today I had a very early doctor's appointment and I had to leave very early. So I just grabbed what was close by. It wasn't until I sat down to film when I get back that I realized I have green. So I'm wearing green. I'm not changing anything else. I'm just playing with makeup and we are having fun. Are we getting vamp yet? Ooh, I am loving this. This is looking good. Take a look at this. A little bit more right here. And a little bit more right here. Ooh, I am loving how deep this is. Yes. I'm also going to go under my eyes, the lash line with this. I love how smoky this is turning out. Maybe I need to give it a shimmer, you think? I don't know yet. I don't know. We will just see. I am loving this. This is coming nicely. Now I smoked the eyes. I need to smoke the cheeks. Juvia's Place, this one my favorite. I want to smoke the cheeks. See the difference? Okay, now bronzer. I turn a simple one color eyeshadow look into a smoky look. I add black to the lip color to bring out more smokiness. And also I added a little darker blush to the previous blush I had to also bring out that smokiness. And I took that dark shade and bring it underneath the lash line. That is all I did. And now it's the two color smoky eyeshadow look. Today's I am says, I am a beloved child of the universe. I am a beloved child of the universe. You are a beloved child of the universe. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. And know that you are precious in the sight of God. Until I see you and you see me, know that you are worth it. You are worth it. I am worth it. You are worth it. Please hype this video, share it with someone else. I will see you soon. Smoky to color eyeshadow look. Bye.